When you design for prints, small details can make a big difference. One of the most important things to get right is bleed. This is the extra space around your design that ensures no unwanted white edges appears after trimming. Canva makes it easy to add bleed, but you need to know where to look. Let's break it down step by step. As I already told you, bleed is an extra margin around your design that extends beyond the actual page size. This helps printers cut the design correctly, ensuring that your artwork reaches the edges of the final product without leaving wide gaps. If you don't include bleed, even a tiny misalignment during printing can ruin the look of your design. Canva doesn't add bleed by default, but you can enable it manually. Here is how. Open your Canva project. Then click File in the top left corner. Here, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, click Show Print Bleed. And now, a white line will appear around your design. This marks when your document might be trimmed. Once the bleed area is visible, make sure your background and design elements extend past the lines. This prevents unprinted edges when your design is trimmed. To ensure your final print file includes bleed, follow these steps. First, click Share in the top right corner. Here, select Download and choose PDF Print. This gives the best quality for printing. Then, check the box for crop, marks and bleed. And the last thing is to click Download. This will save your file with the correct bleed settings, ready for professional printing. As you see, adding bleed in Canva is simple, but it's a crucial step for professional looking prints. By enabling print, stretching your design elements beyond the trim area, and downloading with the right settings, you can ensure your printed materials come out perfectly every time. So, I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you. And if you liked the video, hit this thumbs up button and subscribe for more tutorials about Canva.